Here at Central, customers are our focus. My grandfather always used to tell me, and then my dad always repeated it as well, take care of the customers and everything else will take care of itself.
I can't say enough good things about Central Exteriors and Terry and his crew. They're a first-class operation. They've been around for a long time. They're going to have a solid warranty. If you're looking for a new roof, they're the guys to call.
The job was completed in one day, the entire job. I wish all the contractors were as great as Terry and his company.
Chris has always been hands-on with the process, educating me on the differences of the windows, what actually might even give me the best ROI. As a realtor in the DMV, it's important that the contractors I recommend to my clients are similar to me in regards to being the ones who are going to educate a customer with the pros and cons of the product.
I can't think of anyone who's serviced anyone better, more complete, and watched all the details. And anything I called Terry about, he took care of it very quickly.
We shopped it around through a couple of companies, and his price was far more competitive and his schedule was far more in line with what we were looking for. And they delivered what was promised, and we were very happy with what they provided to us.
Central Exteriors has really become our go-to partner for our roofing repairs and replacements. Since we've partnered together, they have completed over 50 projects for us.
If you're looking for someone who's going to give you a straightforward, quote, education, Central Exteriors are definitely the right people for the job.